Okay. Wasn't finding much in my inbox today. Decided I'd go check and see. See, I can't get that looking clear. Maybe it's... Put on my glasses and see if that's clear. No, it still doesn't look clear. Zoom it back out. Bring it back in. Let's try and turn it on this light behind me. That's weird. I can't get this to come in clear. Well, I'm going to go on the assumption that maybe it is, and I just can't see it clearly. Yeah, so I didn't have anything in my inbox. Decided to check the spam. They've been doing really good with the spam lately. I hadn't had hardly anything in there. And then I come check it today, and it is just packed. I don't know if you can see all the ones in here, but basically between Fox News and Israeli News and Dustin Nemos, more Fox News, Silver Doctors, High Impact Flicks, Wall Street for Main Street, Prepared Mind 101, Think Like a Cop, Jason A., even My Little Homestead, Scotty Kilmer, Gerald Salente, Trends Journal, all my homestead channels, more Fox News, Life in Thailand, Peter Schiff, Morgan Report, Common Sense Show, even the gardening channels in here. High Impact Blog, Trade Genius, more homesteading and gardening, Ethical Preparedness, I can't believe this, Alaska Prepper, Economic Channels, Boom Bust, Gregory Manarino. I didn't know he put on another afternoon one. I thought he was gone. And this is my spam folder, as you can see. Dabu 777. I mean, it just goes on and on. I should have checked this earlier. Gardening Channel, Texas Boys, which is a homesteader, High Impact Blog, Dabu 777, even the U.S. Defense Updates. That's a government channel. Oh, Patriot Nurse is in here too. Money GPS. Man, no wonder I didn't have any. I'm going to be so busy tomorrow trying to catch up on today's news. YouTube comment. I cannot believe this. And this is all from today. Technical Life Rifleman, Urban Farmer. You'd think this was my inbox. Paul Kirtley. I mean, really, give me a break. Fox News, Corbett Report, Russian Insight, Financial Turmoil, another Gregory Manarino. Absolutely insane. They put just about everything from my inbox over here. No wonder my inbox has got 10 things in it. Okay. Well, there's that. I heard something today about what the Russian sub was trying to retrieve was a a test plane that had gone down, F-35, I think they said. I don't know if that's true or not, but they were certainly not trying to retrieve minerals when something happened to their sub, killing the 14 crew members. This guy that I heard it was a F-35 they were trying to retrieve said they had got too close to the war games that were going on off Norway, and they may have been accidentally hit by a underwater laser, probably from the U.S., but at least from those in the Norway war games. And that certainly makes a lot more sense. It's why Putin and Pence would both respond, and there wasn't anything in the news about it. It would have been kept quiet, other than the Russian sub guys that were killed. But makes sense. They got entangled in the war games going on off Norway. Okay, well, just wanted to document the continued ongoing censoring, I guess you'd call it censoring, attempted censoring of Yahoo, of my email. I'll go back and move all this stuff into my inbox now. It's too late tonight to go through it, so. Alright, you guys, take care. I don't know if I'll post this. I may just keep it with my private stuff. Have a good night. Bye-bye.